Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about Google Analytics setup through Google Tag Manager. So let's understand why should I install Google Tag Manager. Tag Manager gives you the ability to add and update your own tags for conversion tracking, site analytics, remarketing and more. There are nearly endless way to track activity across your site and apps, and the intuitive design lets you change tags whenever you want. A question may arise, why should I set up Google Analytics through Google Tag Manager? Actually, in our previous video, we have successfully set up Google Analytics to our website, and in this video, we are going to set up Google Analytics to our Google Tag Manager, and then we will set Google Tag Manager to our website. Here you can see connect Google Analytics to Tag Manager, then connect Google Tag Manager to our website. So if we set up Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager separately on our website, then their JavaScript code will be much more. So it can slow down any website, loading speed. That's why we are setting up Google Analytics to our Tag Manager, and the Tag Manager will be connected to our website. It is easy. In this slide you can see Google Tag Manager facilities, lots of facilities of Google Tag Manager. We can create lots of report of our website user experience, where a user interacting. Here you can see Google Tag Manager on top of this image, and you can manage analytics, AdWords, remarketing. So without further talking, let's finish our first step, that let's create Google Tag Manager. To do so, open a new tab on our Chrome extension and type here Google Tag Manager. Here you can see Google Tag Manager URL. Look, this option, click on it. Is loading. So it is asking you to create an account on Google Tag Manager. I'm going to create an account by clicking create account, and you just need to provide all of your information here, like account setup, account name. What should be the account name? Oh, I'm going to name it like Taymur, and then select your country. My country is Bangladesh. It's asking you share the data anonymously with Google and others. I'm not going to check it. I'm not going to share my data with Google. And what should be your container setup? Actually, here you can see container name www.mysite.com. You can you can give your paste your website name here. So I'm going to copy my website URL, copy, and then paste it here. Okay, so a red signal showing us that you can't place the URL prefix like HTTPS. I'm going to cut it, and here you can see my domain name taymursakib.com, and my target platform is web. That's why I've clicked on it, and now click on create. A pop-up has shown Google Tag Manager terms of service agreement. If you have lots of time to read this article, you can read, and I'm not going to read it right now. Just I also accept the data processing terms is required by blah blah. Then yes, Loading. Okay, my Google Tag Manager account has created. Okay. Okay, do you remember that a little while ago I said that we will connect our Google Analytics to our Google Tag Manager, and then we will connect Google Tag Manager to our website. So now we are going to connect Google Analytics to our Google Tag Manager. Here you can see our Google Analytics. Actually it is Google Analytics 4 version. To connect Google Analytics to Google Tag Manager, first of all, here you can see new tag. Click on new tag. Now click on it. Then yeah, a pop-up you can see Google Analytics Universal Analytics, Google Analytics GA4 configuration. Actually, the property I have created is Google Analytics GA4. That's why it is showing me the data stream, and I'm going to click on it, and it is asking me the measurement ID. So I am going to my property, analytics property, and clicking on data stream, and now click on it. Here you can see measurement ID. Just copy this. Look this option. Just copy this and paste this here. Then below on triggering, click on it and select all pages to measure all pages, page view. Now click on save button, and it is asking you to what should be the tag name. Actually Google Analytics GA4 name, it is try to keep as it is. So I saved it after putting a name. Here you can see the name is Taymur Sakib GA4 base code for all pages. That's it. So now our next step is to actually so now our next step is to connect the Google Tag Manager to our website. Just scroll up. Here you can see a code. Just remember this code, and actually this code will be helpful to connect our tag manager to our website. So I'm going to my WordPress website dashboard, and to do this easily, actually I am going to take help from a plugin. Click on add new, and just search here Google GTA, Google Tag Manager. That means Google GTM, Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager for WordPress. Here you can see Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. Click on install now button. This and installing it, and click on activate button. It's loading. It has taken me to the plugin section. Here you can see okay, it is successfully activated, and you can find out this plugin on settings section. Look, click on Google Analytics, and you just need to paste the Google Tag Manager ID here. Go to Google Tag Manager, and after selecting this, copy this Tag Manager ID and paste it here, GTM, and save this by clicking on save changes. Successfully saved it. with our website. So now how may I know that I have successfully set up or I have successfully connected Google Tag Manager to my website? To know this, just click on new tab and search here Tag Manager Assistant. Tag Manager Tag Manager Assistant. You can see Tag Manager Assistant, Google Tag Assistant. Click on it. Actually, this is not our extension. Our extension is Tag Assistant Legacy by Google, and you just need to add to Chrome. Also, you can get for Google, you can get for Mozilla Firefox. Add extension here. So pop up and go to your website and refresh it. Also, we can understand in a different way. If you come to your website and click on right click on your mouse and go to inspect, sorry, go to view page source and find, click on Ctrl plus F and here you can search GTM, and you can see here Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager successfully installed on our website. Also search Analytics, ANLA. Look, also our Google Analytics has successfully installed our website. Now we can measure and track our user activities from our analytics. So this is the whole process to set up Google Analytics through Google Tag Manager to our website. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Also please share this video, and thanks for watching this video.